Okay.
You know the button that has the big red recording?
Shut up, Katie.
That's the one you push.
I'm not exactly technologically savvy.
I don't think you have to be to know that. That's all I have to say. Oh!
Ooh!
That was
Nice.
lucky. I mean...
Yes! Can I punch you in the face, please? Oops, I got that on camera.
Talking to. Did you get belly?
I surely hope not. Ooh!
Okay, so we have Big Blue and we have Buddha.
Yay! This is our favorite server.
Now, there, yeah. See his face, not his legs. Up, where?
Oh, I missed it.
Yeah.
I don't do this. I need to be on the other side of the camera.
I got the next game.
I need to be on the other side of the camera. This side is not good for me.
And I'm the cocky one.
I can admit that I'm cocky. Buddha?
Next game, you said that you love you, and I was like, but most people do, just joking. And she was like, cocky, and I was like, oh yeah, because I have a problem with that. Yeah. And it really wasn't even, it was just a joke, you know? Like,
Yeah.
what am I supposed to say? Oh no, nobody knows. I'm going to go eat worms. Ew. Hey, I would have had to. I got worms. Excuse me? What's the name of our pet store? I got worms. Do you know what movie that's from?
No.
Dumb and Dumber. Our pet's heads are falling off. Swimmy, swammy.
Ooh, nice back set. Terrible.
Samsonite. I was way off.
Nice back set. Nice front set. Ooh!
That would have been really cool if we would have been.
I really like him. He's awesome.
I have a feeling my
Yeah, mine is too, so don't look. Just don't look. That's my advice for you.
There we go. Game point already? I just found these boots in my closet today.
Oh, is that the end?
Hey, they're coming to the side. That's good.